Hey, how's it going, folks? This is Jonathan Coast, and in this video, I just want to show you a tour and inside look of the Home Business Blueprint, which is a course, a passion project that I've been working on since April 6, 2022. This is basically just a way to create a sustainable, online, profitable, evergreen business using any market, whether it be health, wealth, or relationships. So let me just go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. This is the intro area. Once people become a member, they immediately get redirected to this page here. This is basically a place to reorient and reset your brain, if you will. Now, the only videos that are uploaded to YouTube that are in this course are the intro videos. So if you click on any one of these modules, you'll actually have an intro for that module, and it'll be an unlisted YouTube video. Now, when it comes to the actual lessons themselves, each one of those videos are actually embedded onto the page using a custom HTML, meaning you can't find them anywhere else but on this course. And all of them have resources and tools right next to each video. So all of the lessons include material to go with them and a complete walkthrough, a step-by-step guide. For instance, on the sales funnel module, I have download page templates, bonus page templates, opt-in page templates, and these are all in the resource section. If you just click on them, it immediately redirects you to your My Templates page once you have Optimized Press. Once you get to this module, we would have already taken care of that portion in regards to creating Optimized Press and installing it onto our WordPress dashboard for our website. In the Tech Foundation module, where you get a domain, hosting, SSL, which is a way to secure your website, a business email, and then we install WordPress onto our website. We get the blog and the theme. We set up and install Optimized Press, which is the theme that we're going to use in order to import all of the different templates that I'm going to be giving you in the very next module. So you got the autoresponder, you got custom email swipes that you can select, and you can actually import the newsletter page template. Because if you go back to the Start Here page, I actually give you a mind map, the blueprint itself. And this is inspired by James Scold's Evergreen Wealth Formula. But if you look at this, you actually have the blueprint itself. So if you open the image in the new tab, you actually can get a closer look at it. But the way it works is we're going to be creating this, and by the time you're done with the course, you have an entire business with this as the system that helps generate your target audience through your sales funnel, so they're able to consume your value, the incentive that you're offering them in exchange for the information, so that you're able to follow up and maintain a relationship with them and develop rapport, trust, and credibility over time, and continue to sell them your products and create a friendly customer client relationship between you and your audience. So this is a system that it's going to be working with when they first come into your sales funnel. And I show you how to create an opt-in incentive in this phase right here. So if you go up at the top where it says foundation, we're going to be identifying our ideal customer. So where it says ultimate offer, this is actually where we're going to be creating our lead generation magnet. This is the incentive that we're going to be giving our target audience. So if you come here, I actually walk you through this entire process. I give you a PowerPoint presentation for the first part. And then the second part of that, we actually have this walkthrough, like the over-the-shoulder guide, where I show you exactly how to create a lead generation magnet using the resources that I provide and the tools right next to the video. But once you have the opt-in incentive created, which I show you in this module, then we're going to create the Tech Foundations, which is our actual website, which is something similar to any other general website that you see out there. It's just a place, a hub for you to host your information. And this is actually going to be the front end for the back end, which is the sales funnel, which is the part where people are actually going to be going through. So you give your opt-in incentive to your target audience on the opt-in page, which is the page where they give you their information in exchange for whatever you're offering them, some free incentive to help them solve XYZ challenge or whatever issue that they're going through in said market. And then you actually give them a set of emails that they go through, an email sequence. This is the actual blueprint itself. Each email is connected to a training page to help them solve that challenge or issue. And by the time they get to day 4, you would have established yourself as a trusted authority figure in that market. And you're looked at as a subject matter expert to that target audience. So you're more than likely able to sell them products that's related and similar to that subject matter. So right here, I actually have a bonus page, and I show you how to create this in the course, and it leads people to your offer. And then we use this as a way to give them even more of a reason and an incentive to buy from you rather than anyone else, because this allows you the chance to create a unique selling proposition. What makes you different than everyone else? Why should they buy from you out of every other option, including doing nothing, well, you give them 3 additional related offers that complement your main offer, which I'm going to be showing you how to do as well. And then we even have a second chapter to this entire blueprint. So I'll show you how to do that in this course. Let me go ahead and zoom out real quick, but you have 7 modules in total, and then you only see 6 up here, but on the 7th module, which is what most people are excited about, is the traffic generation module. So once we have our entire business set up, we got the foundation, we've identified our ideal customer, we gathered the necessary data to get the insights we need in order to understand the demographics, geographics, the psychographics, and then we even create an avatar letter. We establish our perfect prospect with some tools. Well, this is actually one of my favorite lessons, but I show you how to create a perfect prospect letter, and you just fill in the blanks and you use this letter as a means to know who you're talking to when you create content. Then after that, we create the ultimate offer. We find a product. I show you how to create a lead generation magnet. Then I also show you how to find and create a bonus offer. Then we create our website. Once we're done creating our website, we create the sales funnel to go with that website, and you can just import all of these templates I give you here. As you can see, you just take the template, fill in a blank for your market, and I even give you custom email swipes to choose for whatever market you're in, whether it be wealth, health, or relationships. And then after you create your sales funnel, we have additional web pages that we're going to focus on just to make sure that we're dotting our I's and crossing our T's. So we got the contact page, the about page for you, your general website, the resource page where you're going to be hosting your products and services on your main general website, and then creating the privacy policy page, then the website, actual website menu like this right here. And then also we're going to be optimizing the footer section, just some more last minute technicalities. Once we're done with this, I actually give you the content layout and the roadmap. So a pre-published content structure checklist and a blog post template. And you can just import the blog post template. So you just take this, fill in the blanks, and then you use it as a way to create content. And I'll give you all that stuff in the content factory. I'll show you how to customize the blog author box, customizing the sidebar, which is the right-hand side on your general website, where you can use as real estate for your opt-in incentive or a place to showcase your social media sites or your products. And then also I show you how to generate traffic. So once we have the pre-published content structure checklist, because you don't want to publish anything before you make sure you have the page properly optimized and you have everything set in place first before you publish. And I just give you the actual template and the checklist itself. So there's a lot of resources in the tool area for you to print out and use as a reference and as a guide as you're going along. And then in the actual module of traffic generation itself, everything else is set in stone, but this is the one module where I'm going to be continuously adding content to, updating it, and just continuously add more and more content to, because this is something that's just always changing. There's always new ways of acquiring new customers and bringing in leads into your sales funnel. But right now I have search engine optimization, which should cover SEO when we get into that extensively. We also talk about niche specific websites, which is one of my favorite ways of getting customers. You get droves of thousands of leads coming in every single week with this method. Then we have question and answer platforms, which I talk about in the limitless traffic formula, which is the free formula that I've created for this course. And it also helps complement the overall course. And you can access that now by just going to my website. You don't have to put in your email or anything like that. It'll redirect you directly to the Google Docs. But this specific section right here, this lesson actually is a more advanced version of the limitless traffic formula, what I used to call the limitless traffic mastery. So, and you'll see what I mean when you go to the question and answer platform section. And then I got Facebook strategies, and then I got YouTube strategies. So as you can see, I don't have Twitter, Instagram, and all these other different platforms yet. That's why I'm going to be constantly adding new content and making changes. And especially even with these specific individual sections like Facebook strategy, I'm only showing one specific method on Facebook traffic, but so I'm also going to be updating and showing how to do Facebook ads and a lot of different content that I talk about on my YouTube channel. So as you can see, that's the home business blueprint from start to finish. You start here. This is the members area. You make sure you watch this course intro, get an overview of the whole course and how it works. And then also I basically just talk in the beginning. I just welcome you. And then about a quarter of the way through, I just show you like a walkthrough of the entire course, basically what I'm showing you here. And then right here, you actually have the actual syllabus. So you print this out. It'll give you an outline of the entire course. You can use it as a reference, and you can even use it as a checklist going along with the course. So as you're completing the lessons, you check off on the syllabus as you're completing each lesson. And then right here, you have the actual blueprint for your reference. You can open this in a new tab as I've done here, and you can actually save it to your desktop. So you can use this as reference so you know, and you can go back to this even once you're done with the course to see what you've created. And you can just use this as a guide and a reference. But before you start the course at all, the reason why I have start here is not just because of the course intro and the overview and the syllabus, but because of this video right here, your evergreen market, the market that's never going to go out of fashion. These aren't trendy, hot one moment and dead the next type of market. These are market that every single week, every single month, every single year, these are always profitable niches. And I show you how to choose which one out of the main three, which I discussed, which is health and, stuff like nutrition, health and wellness. And then the other one is wealth, which is stuff like credit repair, make money online, finance, that type of subject where you're just talking about the wealth related market. And then we have the relationship market, which is stuff like save your marriage, get your ex back, maintain a healthy relationship, stuff like that. So make sure you watch this video before you start. And if you need any help as far as like questions, and if you need any help whatsoever, you can contact support at homebusinessblueprint.com. All right. So this course is actually ready to go right now. Currently, I'm creating the bonus page, so I have an ultimate training collection to go with this. So I'm currently creating this right now. I'm waiting on the cover art to come back, but these are all stuff that's going to go with the course for absolutely free. You got the chat flow automation, conversational process, all in one chat GPT mastery, a lot of goodies that goes with that. And then the second bonus is mobile commerce accelerator, how to fast track your sales on every single device, whether it be e-commerce store or the home business blueprint. So this is all stuff that just complement the home business blueprint and just make the entire process a lot better. And then I even got advanced home office techniques where I talk about how to protect your own health, stay healthy when you're working in the home office, how to protect your business in regards to cybersecurity, and a lot of different cool productivity hacks. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm working on this right now. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to roll this out for review, have the focus groups going, and get some feedback on the course. All right. And so you can get access to this and become a member and be a part of the home business blueprint. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy just a tour of the home business blueprint. I look forward to getting your feedback. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.